Everyone's telling you to use ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. But there's a second tier of AI tools getting called underrated by creators with over 1 million subscribers. I picked 5 of those claims and actually tested them. One channel named these as underrated: a coding tool, an automation tool, a research tool, a presentation tool, and a diagram tool. 5 tools, 5 specific claims. Let's go one by one. Claim 1. Cursor helps non-developers build real things, fast. I gave it the exact same task I gave Claude in my last video: a 2-player tic-tac-toe game with win detection. It built a fully working game, correct logic across all 8 win lines in under 2 minutes. It even added a scoreboard nobody asked for. The only friction was their website's top page pushing a paid Cloud Agents feature before I found the actual free product. Verdict: confirmed. Claim 2. N8N is no-code automation, accessible to non-experts. I built the simplest possible workflow. Fetch a web page, extract its title. It worked. But it took about 20 minutes, not 2. A placeholder that looked like a filled-in field, an unlabeled key field, picking the right node out of a dozen similar names. No code doesn't mean no learning curve. Verdict: depends. Claim 3. NotebookLM only answers from your uploaded material, not the open web. I uploaded my own channel setup guide and asked it 3 questions I already knew the real answers to. All 3 were accurate, and everyone came with a citation pointing back to my document. 0 hallucination. This is the cleanest result of the 5. Verdict: confirmed. Claim 4. Describe it. Get a professional presentation instantly. 1 line: why small businesses should adopt AI tools. And it built a 10-slide deck with a consistent visual theme in under a minute. Genuinely impressive. But look closer. It invented statistics I never gave it. A market size, a percentage, a revenue figure, all presented as fact with 0 sourcing. And the illustrations contain garbled, nonsense text in the fine details. It looks professional. It isn't automatically trustworthy. Verdict: depends. Claim 5. Paste text. Get an instant accurate diagram. I pasted the exact 3-step process this video follows. Claim, test, verdict. Napkin generated a clean, nicely designed diagram. Except it showed 4 steps, not 3, splitting 1 step into 2. And it completely dropped that this was repeated across 5 tools. Good design. Inaccurate to what I actually gave it. Verdict: mostly overblown. Final tally: 2 confirmed, 2 depends, 1 mostly overblown. No tool here was a scam, and none was flawless either. Cursor and NotebookLM did exactly what they claimed. N8N and Gamma both technically worked, but hid real friction or real risk under a polished surface. Napkin looked right and wasn't. The pattern across 2 videos now. The loudest praise and the loudest hate are both usually a little off. What actually holds up is somewhere quieter in the middle, and you only find it by testing. If you want tool claims fact-checked instead of hyped or hated, that's what this channel does every week. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Subscribe if that's useful.